Hey guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Crystal. I do DIYs, reviews, hauls, and much more. And today I am sharing how I made Sally's recipe book from Nightmare Before Christmas. I actually was inspired by a Etsy photo that I saw online. I'll put the original creator down below in the description if you want to purchase something from her store. But this is how I recreated something similar to that item. So if you want to see how I did that, please keep watching. Okay, so I took some board or cardstock from the dollar store, and at first I used a glue stick to glue these um, pieces that I got from Hobby Lobby. You can go to Hobby Lobby and get some of the scrapbook paper. I burnt the edges, which I didn't film. And the glue stick didn't work, so I opted for the hot glue gun. It stuck much better. As you can see, I had already penciled in the drawing. Pretty much use your imagination. I kind of went with what the Etsy post picture was, but I kind of wanted to make it my own, so I just freehand everything and went back in with the permanent marker to fill all in the lines. And I also used a fine point pen to do some pen work as well. This is just my circuit pen that comes with the circuit, and I used it to do some more lettering. Here I'm going in with my brown watercolor pen and then going in with the fine point pen for some detail, and now I'm just taking a bright green acrylic paint and making the soup. I would definitely put some glow in the dark on top of this. I can't remember if I did. I don't think I did, but I think it would look cool if you added glow in the dark paint on the green paint. Here I'm just freehanding the recipe. It is not identical to the one on Etsy. I kind of changed the wording around and just, yeah, made the recipe up. I originally wanted to use my circuit for this, but then I was afraid of messing it up with the contact paper. So I just opted for freehanding it instead. Sorry about the lighting, guys, but the sun was working against me that day. So now I'm just taking some, what is this called? Rope from a different DIY that I had left over, and I'm just using the hot glue and gluing it down. And now I'm going to use the deer moss from the dollar store and hot gluing it around the edges and also on the rope. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple DIY. I do advise to check me out on Instagram and TikTok. I posted this little jack lamp that I created, so definitely check that out and follow me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more videos. And until then, guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye.